I should know what laws are and what a lawyer is. So you have laws and you have lawyers. Laws are the same thing as rules. Lawyers don't create the rules. Someone else creates the rules. Lawyers are just individuals that go to a specialized school to learn about the laws or the rules, and then they help other people understand what those rules are. So, let's look at an example. Let's say there's a rule that says, do not throw rocks. Now, it's important to know that unless someone gets hurt by a rock or damaged by a rock, then you really haven't violated a rule. So in our example rule, do not throw rocks, you might come to a lawyer and ask, did I violate the rule? And the question would first be, did you throw a rock? What does the word throw mean? Does it include kicking a rock? Does it include rolling a rock? Does it include slinging or bouncing a rock? The second question is the word rock. Does this include pebbles, very small, insignificantly sized rocks? Does it include acorns? What if you're on a mountaintop and you roll a giant boulder? Is that considered throwing a rock? So these are all questions you would ask a lawyer to help you answer. Now, it's important to understand that the lawyer doesn't decide what the word throw means or what is a rock. Instead, the lawyer would then take your case and file it with a trial court. Trial court is just a building where inside is a judge, and the judge listens to the situation and decides whether or not the facts fit the rule. So if you kicked a rock on the playground, the judge would decide, is the kicking the same as throwing, as an example. Now, if you don't like the judge's decision, you can appeal that decision. In other words, have someone review it, another set of judges, and they reside in the Texas Court of Appeals. And usually there's a panel of 3 judges that would review the decision. And they're the ones that decide if the first judge, the trial court judge, decided the case correctly. And there's a lot of things that go into whether or not a decision is correct. Did the judge follow the rules in making his determination? Did the facts support the judge's determination? And then if you don't like the Court of Appeals decision, then you can appeal that decision to another set of judges who reside in the Texas Supreme Court. And now you know everything I do about laws and lawyers.